Well, hello again. Well, first of all, I just want to say I can't see what you're seeing, so I don't know whether you're going to seal this. Um, but the reason I'm recording it, of course, is so I can see how this does. I've sort of worked out, I think, how this comes apart, and I thought, well, I'll share it with you. Um, because if it goes wrong, and I brick it or something, then you may as well have a laugh as well, aren't you? So I'm going to have to, it's a bit I am extremely nervous. I'm nervous. Right. Well, what you've got here is this little pin here. Obviously, comes all the way down through here and is the core retention plug. And what I've noticed is that this little bit here is the same width as that. So I reckon that if you revolve all this way round, then you can be able to slide it out and use this as the core, I suppose, if you want to call it what do they? I can't even think what they call. My mind has completely gone blank, I'm afraid. Follower. I use this as the follower, and I should be taking the pins out from here to start with. So, well, let's just get on with it, because otherwise I'm just messing around. And well, I hope you can see this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by turning round. I'm so nervous. And going like that. Right, so then that I can now, this one here is number 5. So see if we can get that one out. No. Well, I'm going to have to pick it out, I think. What's that? Will that do it? Pick it out from the back. Normally I would, that's no good. Normally I would be doing this through the magnifying glass, and so anyway, of course I can't, bloody hell, can't do that because of the key, can I? Oh, I can take the key out. Oh, I don't want to take the key out. I don't want to take that key out. Shall I just try and dump them? Does it matter? Something a bit heavy. There we go. So that's number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Well, that one wants to come out. That's number 3. It's extremely loose now. I'm not going to bother about that anymore. Right, okay, so let's just give that a little push. Okay, we got it that far. We're going to go like that. Where's the pins? Up there somewhere. Right, let's push. It's pretty loose actually, I think. I don't know whether you can see any of this. The light all right? You just bring that down a little bit. Sorry, I'm wobbling you a bit. I can't see it myself actually properly, and I want to see this. Right, we're all off there, all right. Right, that's the first one, and the first one is a 6-pinner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this last one's blank. So technically, because I'm going to make this into a charity shop, a challenge lock, rhyming slang. I cannot bloody see that. Oh, there's number 1's popped up. And that is number 5. And that is a little spool. Look at that. That's a tiny little spool. This is probably a what they call a balance stack. I don't know whether you can see that. That's a very small spool. I know it goes around that way. I know these pins in so much as I like Yale locks. I take them apart quite a bit, and you can see that this is a gorgeous little typical Yale spool, and that's a big pin, so that's a little one. And what's going on up here? I'm all right. I'm perfect on that. I wish I could see in here though. Cool, blimey, I can't see a thing. When I put it all back together again, I'll be all right because I can. I really can't see that. Oh, hang on, guys. I don't want to muck up that spring. What's going on with the spring? It's just popped up. And I can't see it really. Oh, it's there. There we go. Oh, I wish I could see that. I just can't see what's going on. Could do with a head torch actually. Anyway, I'll just go down to the next one pops up. There he goes. Just turn it very slightly. I think it will go back together again tiny bit better than this. I'll be able to sort what's going on in here. I'll be able to look through the magnifying glass and get it. I really can't see a bloody thing. I'll push it down a tiny bit more. It's another spool. So that's that one. I hope you can see this, but I mean, if you can't see it, I can't see it. That's why you should see it and not me. Don't want to damage those springs. It looks like it could do with new springs anyway, actually. So that's 1. That's 2. Get in there, folks. Get in there. Done 2 of them. Go way down a bit more. I just decided to dump them out because they're all spools anyway. It doesn't make any difference. Right, let's just have a little look at everything. I'll put these into here. I'm not going to worry about the order. I'll put that one in. That probably is right, actually. That spring looks a bit knackered. Got a spring missing. Oh no, we haven't. That's it. Right, so I don't know whether you can see anything there. If I put that in there, I'm trying to see what you're seeing. That's the inside of the core. I just can't see what you're seeing, and it's too high for me really. But anyway, if I go like that, you might be able to see 6 holes. There's the little plug for the core. This is the core. Have we got all the pins out? No. That one's stuck. That one. There's the core. It looks a bit like they've been a bit sort of thingy. The pins are a bit catchy. And so there we go. Goes back in like that. It's going to be a bugger to get all that back together again, isn't it? But once it's, yeah, I've got that sorted. Got that sorted, guys. Hey, well done. I'll just let me see if I can show you those. They're the pins. You can see that they are, see how skanky they are. A bit beaten up at the bottom here, I can see. And anyway, really nice. I'm pleased to get all that apart, actually. And the springs all need replacing, I think. I don't want to replace them unless I have to. I'll check them. Anyway, there we go. Thank you very much. We're 13 minutes. That's one of my longest videos ever, just about. Thank you very much for watching. If you've spent all this time with me. See you around, guys.